Okay, we will start. See, the next topic what we are going to do is good morning to everyone. So in the last class we have discussed with respect to the data mining. So today we will be discussing with respect to the some essential parts with respect to data mining. So in that particular case we will be using first CRISP. CR indicates your cross industry standard process. I'll repeat once again. CRISP means CR indicates your cross, I is your industry standard process data mining cycle. This is how the architecture or how the process will be taken place. So data, generally we know that data is nothing but information. So we will be keeping the information, but based upon the information, how you will be start processing. See, these are all the things real-time example only. Nothing is there outside the scope. Everything is real-time. So whenever you want to start your startup company, means what are the problems you are going to face, what knowledge you want. That is the concept we will be discussing with respect to this particular cycle. So if you are an employee, you will go to the company, you will work, and you will get a salary. But those who become an entrepreneur, that means that startup company, all those things from scratching till end, they have to resolve each and everything. So there is a lot of difference between employee and there is a lot of difference between your entrepreneur. So employee means for example 9 to 5 we have to work, that's all, the work has been completed. So after that we will not touch that particular work, all those things. But entrepreneur, each and everything from 9 to 5 also you have to look, from morning 7 o'clock or after the working hours you need to check some of the other things will be there. That means that business understanding. So you need to concentrate on the business. Business means we need to have a knowledge with respect to that particular business. Without having that particular knowledge, definitely 100% we will be in a lost state. So what for example, many things you may see some real time examples. If you see day to day newspaper, all those things, what the guy in the most of the IT people, they are going to invest the monies in the stock investment. Most of the cases I'm going to tell from 60 to 70%, most of the company guys, IT people, they are going to money in the share market. Share, it can be your Infosys or it can be your TCS or steel, whatever it may be, they are going to invest. So they will be thinking that we will be getting a profit and they are going to increase that. Whatever the transaction they are going to perform, each and every minute is important for them. If they are going to invest 1 lakh rupees, within a fraction of second they may get the balance zero. I'll repeat once again. If they have invested 1 lakh or 2 lakhs rupees, within a fraction of second, once the transaction has been completed, if the stock market is in the loss, immediately the balance will become zero in his account. If that is what, each and every minute they have to look carefully and they need to make a transaction with respect to stock market, all those things. The same thing we need to understand with respect to the business. Each and everything you should know from starting till ending with respect to that particular case. Next is data understanding. See, whatever the 10 people they may tell, this is what difficult, that is what difficult, everything is difficult, all those things. But you need to understand which is right and which is wrong. So for example, let one more example I will give you. Data understanding is nothing but you're doing your project. Most of the students, now I'm telling you that not all students, most of the students they are doing in your institution with respect to your project. Most of the students they are doing your project in your institution. Whatever the institution guy he may give the project, you will not check whether it is correct, is working or not. That means that it will be working, you will be getting an output. But whatever the requirement, for example, if you have a 5 different domains in that particular case, whatever the project they are going to do now, for example, let us consider one particular people I'm going to take. Let us consider uh, Namrata. Okay, Namrata, she is doing in one particular institution project. Whatever that project guy is will be doing, no, that report he will be giving to Namrata one copy, that is SVC college, and one more report he will be giving to NMIT college, one more report he will be giving to EWIT college, and one more report he will be giving to BNMIT college, like that. That means that whatever the report he has done only one particular project, he has done only one particular project. And Namrata will be thinking that only that guy, he has selected that project and he has given that project only to me. That particular guy, he will give that project to Namrata also, and he will give to other college circulation also. That means that what I want to say, they have developed only one particular project, they are getting the profit from 5 to 6 people. So that means that she has, for example, she has invested for the project 25,000. Let us consider 20,000 or 25,000. So other guy also they are going to pay same thing, same output, same report, everything they are going to give. And once whatever the report they are going to give, we will not check whether whatever the report they have given, whether it is a right report or whether it is a wrong report. That means that right or wrong comes under your, once you are going to check with your IEEE paper. Whenever you are going to check with your IEEE paper of your project, you will be knowing that what algorithm they have used, what implementation they have done, whether it is working properly or not. Complete domain. It is not with respect to your one part. So in your project, you will be getting one part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Like that complete project, you will be getting totally complete domain will be there. But he will be showing only one particular domain, and you will be thinking that as my project has been completed. So why I'm giving this example means whenever you are going to work in your industry, the client will be telling these are the requirements from the my side, all those things. So you need to able to understand what is going to tell. You need to understand that particular requirement. Based upon that, you have to start developing, you have to start designing that particular with respect to that particular language or programming, whatever it may be. For that particular case, you need to have a technical skill. You need to have knowledge. Without the technical, without the knowledge, it's difficult for the data understanding. For example, if you want to execute in your Oracle, you can't type the program in the C programming language. So if you want to execute the program in your Oracle, you need to maintain DBMS concept only. That is nothing but your queries you need to use. Either it may be your RDBMS or whether it may be your DBMS or SQL, PSQL, whatever it may be, etc., etc., whatever it may be. But you should be able to know the knowledge with respect to your database concept only. If you know the database concept, automatically whatever the client is going to talk with respect to the database, you will be able to understand, and you will be start implementing and designing, testing each and everything. Once how you are going to understand, you will be writing in terms of documentation. Documentation is nothing but a preparation. So whatever preparation means in terms of documentation, whatever the thing they are going to tell, we will be preparing the document, and we will be preparing report. Report is nothing but your data preparations, I can say. Next, modeling. So we will be checking with respect to how the product you are going to develop. So whether how much effective you are going to develop that particular product. Simply for the sake, we have to develop the product simply that. But if you are not interested in that particular case, if you are developing the product means it will become a difficult. Next, evaluation is more important. Evaluation either in terms of money in terms of marketing. You need to, for example, that particular client is not willing to take your product means you should be able to catch one more guy. That is nothing but marketing is more important. That is nothing but your testing. For example, whatever the testing you have done, so if it is working properly, if you find one more client within a fraction of second, you need to change their requirement and you need to sell that particular product to him. Deployment means complete operations we will give uh, combining. This is how the life cycle we will be discussing with respect to your cross industry standard process with respect to your data mining. So the main thing, first part, what is your business understanding? See, one thing I want to tell you, that one real time example I am going to give. What is the first point he has told? Is nothing but the first and the most important step in the data mining is business understanding. Business understanding. For business understanding, one example I'm going to give. So in our college only, cafeteria is there. Near to the cafeteria, xerox shop is there. Once you go to that particular xerox shop and you ask him how much profit you are going to get, how is marketing going on, he will tell the story itself. That means that if you simply Chandru is there, no, you will be knowing that Chandru in the Xerox shop, all those things. While taking the Xerox, you ask Chandru, Chandru, how is the Xerox shop is going on? Whether you are going to get profit or whether you are going to loss? How is market going on? Just you ask the question. He will tell complete book itself. Reference you can make. By taking their experience, we will be moving whether to put the Xerox shop or not. All those things. He may tell, yes, I'm going to get more profit, all those things. He may tell, okay, we will try another case. But from past, I think if you see from past 4 to 5 years, they're keeping the Xerox shop. We need to take their particular experience. We need to take their experience before starting any business, all those things. For example, 1 week before some business Xerox shop he has opened, we should not ask that particular guy experience. So those who have maintained the Xerox shop with respect to 5 to 6 years, they have to they will be telling the experience nicely. You go to the cafeteria in our college. That one lady will be there. Now you just ask her how is business going on, how this and all the things. Because from past 5 years she is keeping that cafeteria. They will also tell huge experiences. We can write the book. Why? Because surrounding to the college itself, if you see Spurti is there, near to the Spurti, some tea shop is there, from tea shop, one more small shop is there because more number of competition is there. See, because clients is nothing but we, that is nothing but student or the faculties, whatever it may be. The clients is nothing but we. We need to go to the shop. If you are going to that particular shop means that they have to attract in such a way that either with respect to the quality or with respect to the cost efficient, all those things will be there. This is what the first point you should know in with your business understanding. In the business understanding, somewhere if you keep loss in the beginning, for example, if you see Geo, if you see Jio is the best example. In the initially they have given everything free, internet, all those things they are given, and they are making so much of profit. You first initially they are given everything free. You may be knowing that Jio. So everything they are given in the beginning days, everything free, internet, that free, this free, that free. That means that in certain case, let us consider we will be get lost 10%. Let it be lost. So once you are going to make 10% loss, 100% profit you can get. Why? Because other networking they are not done, Airtel, Vodafone, all those things. Because all the customers they are coming to the Geo only. Some 10% they may lose in their beginning, but how much profit they want, how many years? That is what statistics you should know in your business understanding. Okay. So first point is nothing but a business understanding. Second is nothing but thinking out of the scope. Whatever the second point is there, the second point is nothing but a creativity. You need to have a creativity. See, one thing I want to tell you that creativity means one example I'm going to give. For example, let us consider in your class only. Meenakshi is the topper in your class. So I think, for example, she got 9.5 or 9.8. Let us consider one more student. We will consider Nikita. She will be getting 8.5. And I'm going to consider one more student, 8.0. So if you see these three persons, Meenakshi, she got more than 9.0 CGPA. Nikita, she got more than 8.5 CGPA. And Namrata, she got 8.0. But what I want to tell is, subject is same only, no? Whatever the subject they have studied, the same subject they have studied, these three. But that means that the creativity is more important. How they are going to represent it in your examination, first point. Second point, how they are going to study is important. That is nothing but few people they may mug up, they are going to vomit on the paper, they are going to this one. That means that how they have understood the topic, how they are going to present it on the paper, that is more important. So based upon that, they are going to evaluate the marks. You can see, but all three they have studied same subject only. Yes or no? They have not studied different subjects. Same subject they have studied, same thing they are prepared for subject, everything same timings only they are given from 9 to that is from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Duration is also same, but marks is variations is there. That is nothing but what in this particular case creativity is more important. So I told you that most of the students they are going to mug up, they are going to get they are going to represent same xerox, like whatever there in the textbook they are going to xerox same thing in their paper answer sheet, but they are going to get 7 CGPA, 7.2 CGPA. But most of the students they will be writing in terms of creativity. Creativity means either what the words they are going to write in their own creativity they are going to write. So that is what one example, this is what I want to give. So creativity means whenever you are going to start with your business, all those things, you need to have a creativity. Creativity is nothing but your out of box. You need to think out of the box. You need to think. Whenever you're going to think out of the box, only creativity will arise. So you will be thinking that new things to be done, all those things. That is what the step 2 is maintained. Step 3 is nothing but data should be clean and high quality. So if whatever the data we are going to prepare or whatever the product we are going to develop, so that product should be have a quality in that particular case. So if the quality is not there means nobody will, client will agree. For example, if one more client is there, that particular client will not refer, hey, that guy the quality is not there, whatever the product he has given the quality is not there and time sense is not there, all those things will be there. Whatever the product you may develop, you need to understand thoroughly, you need to know the technical knowledge, you need to design a product in such a way that you need to have a clear speed also should be there. So within a fraction of time you need to deliver that particular product also with the proper quality, all those things. The fourth point, the third point, you need to concentrate on your quality. Whatever the product you may develop, so you need to concentrate on the quality also. Fourth, you need to have the patience. Patience is nothing but, let us consider in your class 61 members is there. Few students they may talk rude to me. Few students they may talk uh, rude to me, or they may talk rashly, all those things. But what I want to do, I need to have a patience. Why? Because we have crossed your level. That means that we have completed the BA, we will be knowing the student maturity, all those things. In that particular case, if you talk rash to me also, if you talk rude to me also, I should have a patience, because whatever the thing you are going to do, if I am going to do the same thing, there is no difference in that particular case. Yes or no? Because we have crossed the maturity level, so we will be knowing that what is right, what is wrong with respect to that particular case, all those things. So if 61 students is there now in your class, most of the cases 61 students are talked. Some few people they will be talking in the some other thing, all those things. But we need to have a patience. Patience is nothing but why patience I'm going to tell. See, whenever the client requirement is there to develop the product, all those things, so he will be telling, the guy may be psycho. For example, this particular thing he will tell, after half an hour he will tell to change the requirement, after 1 hour he will be telling to change the requirement. That everything will be there with respect to the client, or he will not give the proper money, or he will not give some this requirement or a tool for that particular case, all those things. But everything you need to maintain is what? Patience. Many times I used to tell you that whenever you enter to the company, dressing sense is not important, your beauty is not important. First thing what you want is you need to have a patience. If you have the patience, definitely you can survive anywhere. Either not in that particular organization, you can survive anything. So main thing what you want is patience, you want in your working environment. Second thing that comes your dressing sense, beauty, and third party, whatever it may be, etc., etc., it will come after that. Main thing is, first you need to have the patience. Second thing, you need to have technical knowledge with respect to that particular domain. If you have most superb knowledge with respect to your technical or programming language, all those things, the manager only will tell you, we will give respect to you. If you have more knowledge, if you have more technical knowledge with respect to that particular case, means just observe whenever you will be working in the company, if you have more knowledge with respect to your programming part, if you have more knowledge with respect to your technical skill, all those things, manager will give respect. So same other thing, if you don't have any knowledge, all those things, means that is a different case. So some other case they can survive, but long term they can't survive. That is the thing I want to tell you, that whenever you are going to stick on to the company. For example, if you want to survive, because now your age is 24 or 25, you have 35 years service. Yes or no? 35 years service you got. To complete the 35 years, how many ups and downs you will be getting? Everything will be getting. Once you go to the real world with respect to the companies, all those things, you will be facing each up and down, all those things. But wherever the up and down arises, so you need to have a first is patience, second is technical knowledge, and you need to have knowledge. So if you have everything, means this, the automatically the manager only will respect you, and they're going to give the promotion, everything you may get. If you don't have that, all those things, means you can survive only 1 year or 2 years. Apart from that, you can't survive. It is difficult to survive in the industry. So the next point what he has told is patience you need to have. The next point is confidence you need to have. Fifth point is nothing but your confidence. See, whatever the product you may have develop, so you need to have a confidence. If that particular client is not taking your product, means the other guy, he will be taking. You should have the confidence, and in that particular case only you will grow. Without, if you will lose your confidence, definitely you will not grow. Along with the organization also will not grow. If you follow all those 5 steps, definitely will be getting success in your reports, all those things. So this is what means about the data mining. We will be thinking, the first point we will be related with respect to the business statistics. Business is nothing but a marketing. We should know each and everything with respect to that particular case. Second is nothing but predictive accuracy. With the speed you need to execute, like your Kaun Banega Karorpati, fastest finger first it will be there, no? Before going to that particular seat, they are going to maintain the fastest finger page. That is within how much less time, how they are going to give the answer is more important. That is nothing but your, like that you need to speed up your process with the delivering the product or to complete that particular product. Third one, you need to have a creativity, creations. Fourth is mainly the important thing is interest. If you do with interest only, to develop the product you will be getting. Otherwise, how much interest you have put, that much of results only you will be getting. Fifth is we will be discussing with respect to your experience, all those things. These are the few mistakes they are discussed. So next is data visualization is there. The data visualization I'll do it in the next class. So I told you that by next Tuesday I'll be completing your third module. I only last topic is only your data visualization. So that completes your third module. I'll be completing third module Tuesday. So from Wednesday onwards we will be starting with the fourth module. One more important thing I want to tell you that your IA is not from 18th, it is from 28th. Official circular will be getting, okay. So your IA will be starting from 28th, not 18th. So before that means that for fourth module I need to complete half. So we will see. So that all those things we will complete it. So Mukesh, Mukesh, Mukesh Kumar, Mukesh, Sriyari, Sriyari, Sahil Singh.
Yes, sir.
You tell Mukesh to call me, man. Huh? Yesterday I put the message, he did not call. Once you just call him and you tell that sir wants to talk, okay?
Okay, sir.
You have Mukesh number.
Yes, sir, I have.
You just inform Mukesh to call me.
Okay.
Okay. Anything you want to discuss, you can discuss. Any student, anything you want to discuss? Meenakshi, anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. When is your next week? You will be getting internship. This one
Yes,
schedule.
sir. Yes, sir.
That
From next Monday.
next Monday. That coming Monday. Next coming Monday will be your project. I think so.
Yeah. But then, sir, for IE.
IA most probably 28th only will be getting all together. 4th, 6th, 8th they are going to combine together and they are going to do.
Okay, sir.
Officially they are going to provide the circular. Once they are going to provide the circular, I will be distributing in the group.
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to discuss?
No, sir.
Okay. Any other students? Netravati. Sahil. Sahil Singh. Anything to be discussed?
No, sir, no. Thank you.
Okay. If you nothing to be discussed means you can prepare for your